What's going on, YouTube? Soul Review Kicks here, back with a part 2 Supreme haul video. I don't know if you guys checked out my last one. Did a little quick review on a jacket and 2 long sleeves. Like I said, I literally thought that I had secured the 6-panel mesh hat, which I don't know, it's not looking too good, along with the green long sleeve, and it's not looking too good for that either. So as you see, we have 2 boxes, the usual red label. Let's check them out. Here we go. Ooh. Yep. Typical Supreme sticker. I'm starting to have a collection of these things. And typical Supreme box. You see, Supreme hit. Black box, and we have for today is Air Force One Low SP black in a size 8. Shoe out. Ooh. These are neat. Yes, sir. These are nice. I like this. A little quick impression. All right, let's just put this away real quick. Alright, okay. I'll start with paper, of course, usual paper, Supreme Nike paper. Let's see, we do have stamp on the box, the date code. As you see it, real quick, we do have a YCM sticker on there. Box dimensions are, looks like 320 by 200 by 110. Zoom in. All right. Take it at the bottom. Surprisingly, it doesn't have a Supreme logo on the bottom. I thought it would. That would have been dope. All right. As you see, it's just a pair of your plain, basic black Supreme Air Force Ones. That's it. Low tops. Real nice, subtle black. Supreme hit. Got a premium feel to it. Take a look at the stitching. Let's take a look at the bottom. I don't know, for some reason I thought it'd have more of a Supreme hit, like something on the back or maybe on the bottom or even on the tongue, but no. Alright, these did come with black and white Supreme logo laces. Pretty dope. Oh, it does have a little Supreme hit on the Air Force One tag. Alright, let's open up this bad boy. And we have shoe tree, actual shoe tree for once, jeez. Okay, it says QA7R. See inside, little S. Not too sure. Alright. We're gonna have a look at the insole. And here's the insole. So we've got some numbers on there, QA7H. And you see the other numbers. I don't know if that's a star, but that's weird. Little star on there. Inside, size tag is above the Supreme hit. Supreme hit below Nike sign, or above the Nike sign, should I say. Take a look at that. Sticky. Take a look at some of the detail. Supreme hit on the tag as well. Kind of hard to see here. sure you get it. Really hard to see, honestly. Let's take a look at the inside. Man, this leather is premium. Let me tell you, it does not move. Holy moly. Alright, let's take a look at the inside here. Yellow stitching. Wow. Yellow stitching. Alright, just a little quick review. Simple little Supreme Air Force Ones. Low. I'm going to hit you with a part 3 with the next pair. Stay tuned. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.